Hey there, friends. Today I want to talk about something that's close to my heart, your dental health and happiness. You know, I used to dread going to the dentist, but I found a way to change all that, and I can't wait to share it with you. Imagine waking up on the day of your dental appointment feeling calm and collected. No more tossing and turning the night before, no more sweaty palms in the waiting room. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I've discovered this amazing, natural approach to taking care of your teeth that's so simple, it's like giving your mouth a gentle hug every day. And the best part? It doesn't come with a hefty price tag that'll make your wallet weep. You see, I believe that true health starts from within, and that includes your beautiful smile. This method I'm talking about, it's all about working with your body, not against it. It's like finding that perfect balance in life. You know, the one where everything just clicks. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too easy, but trust me, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. This technique has been changing lives all across the country, helping people just like you and me feel confident and worry-free about their oral health. Are you ready to say goodbye to dental anxiety and hello to a future where you're in control of your smile? A future where you can flash those pearly whites with pride, knowing you've got this whole dental thing figured out? If you're nodding your head right now, then do yourself a favor and click the link below. I've put together a short video that'll walk you through exactly how to achieve dental bliss, naturally, easily, and without any stress. Remember, friends, taking care of your health is one of the most important things you can do. So let's start with that smile of yours. Click below, and let's begin this journey together. Your future self will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.